everyone, it's really good to see you here all. So in today's video, we are going to talk about how to sign in on Discord. So just type Discord and search. So here you go. Open Discord in your browser. So instead of downloading it, try to open it on your browser because it's a kind of handy. So here click on login. Since I don't have any account, I need to click here on the register one. So just click register. Add all the credentials, and once you have added all those, just click on continue. So once you have filled all the details, now you have got some pop-up like this. So just click that you are a human. Okay, so this is the most frustrating part, but let's do that. So once you have signed up, now it's time to create something. So you can create your server, you can create so many different things here. So since I am a creator, I am going to select artists and creators, and then I am going to create for a club or community. Now once you have created your server, you can now click on this, and then using that you can invite your friend to join your server. Copy the link and share it wherever you wanted to. Now let's see some of the inside information about why you can use Discord. Okay, so let's talk about why Discord. Discord provides you a real-time communication so that you can engage in instant messaging, voice calls and video chat. Also, the quality here for audio and video calls are very high, so you can use that. Also, for community building purpose, you can use Discord because you can here connect like-minded individuals to come together and create communities centered around specific interests, which can be anything. For instance, I am creating a Discord server for you guys all because you guys are like-minded people who wanted to be in the server and discuss about the thing in which you are interested. So it's very useful too. Also, it has so many versatile functionality as it has different features like customizable servers, channels and roles. So based upon the roles, you can assign the power to the members of a channel, which can be a useful tool because not everyone can then spam, and on each channel you can add that particular feature. Also, it can be very helpful for professional networking and socializing. Moving on, cross-platform compatibility, which is a feature being provided by Discord. That means it is available on desktop, web and mobile devices, so it's very handy. Whatever the place you wanted to use it, you can use it. I suggest that use Discord web because that's very handy according to me. As whenever I use Discord desktop or mobile device, most of the time it lags a bit, mostly in case of desktop, but when I shift to Discord web, then it becomes very smooth for me. So do try it out. Also, it has very important feature of integration and extensibility. So it supports a rich ecosystem of bots and integration, allowing users to enhance their service with automated moderation. Music playback, custom commands and other useful functionality make it a powerful and versatile communication tool. So try Discord now. And you already learned how you can sign up on Discord. So just go out, try it out. Whenever you are solving some question, try to discuss that with your peers on Discord. Create a channel of study, create a channel of gaming or whatever you wanted to, and engage with people because that's gonna help you a lot. Don't forget to join Zlozie Code Discord channel, the link in the description. So yeah, this is it for this video. I hope this is helpful. And if you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe to the channel. And this is it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.